Good day. The topic that we will report is the problem of PCC, and this is all about the lack of maintenance in emergency exitway. So, my topic is the root of the problem. So, the lack of maintaining the emergency exitway is prior to incident. So, as we can see, the location of emergency exitway is side by side of our building. So, the railings of the emergency exitway is so weak and some of the railings are rusty and the stairs is not completely done and some exits don't have signage and not clear to see because they do not maintain the emergency exit routes and they do not focus on repairing and maintaining the safety of this route because it really happens and it's unexpected disaster. So not attention has been going to maintain the routes for people to use in the facility because the emergency exitways stairs must be legally required, clearly visible, and properly placed for quick identification.
First, the solution for us is about consulting on a professional or an architect have a knowledge on a fire safety consultant that to assess the building layout and determine the required number and the placement of exit. That based on the building size, example here in PCC, to ensure the proper design and of the exit routes because must lead to directly to the one way of the outside area or the protected area, example in the parking area. And usually, with the emergency lighting and a clearly mark of the visible sign, it lead to safety protocols. And the last is about the panic hardware. And all emergency exit doors must have a one direction and of escape and a simple, easy to use mechanism that do not require keys or special knowledge to open the emergency doors of this building. Thank you.
Conclusion: the care of PCC, prior to lack of maintenance and purely emergency exit, can create like treating situations during emergencies so that PCC must prioritize a regular maintenance and clear emergency routes and continuous safety drills are essential to protect the lives of students, staffs, and visitors. With stronger commitment and accountability, PCC can prevent similar incidents and ensure that the campus remains a safe and secure environment